Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you task 3 on Bite and Chew. For task number 3, it says in the product ID column, filter the data to only display the products that have the WW7881 ID. So how you would do that task is go over to product ID, highlight product ID. On the editing, you would go over to sort and filter on your ribbon, click the drop down arrow, you go over to filter. You see that little arrow that pops up? Click on it. There's two ways to do it. So the first way is you can deselect anything that is not WW7881. So unclick this and unclick this. Then click OK. Your task will be completed. I'll show you the second way as well. The second way to do it is you click on to product ID as well. You go over to sort and filter on your ribbon, go to filter, and then from there, click onto the little drop down arrow, go to text filter, go to begins with. From there, type WW7881. Click OK, and your task is also completed as well. Hope that is helpful and have a great day.